More than 35 million U.S. households are now getting monthly cash payments of their 2021 child tax credits. And while the payments may help some families out a great deal, they could also bring some unexpected tax bills next year. Denitsa Tsekova here now with Your Money. Give us the story on this one, Denitsa.
It's a great day for many families. Families of nearly 60 million children just got the payments. But even though the first set of payments is out, families still have the option to opt out of the remaining 5 payments that, as a reminder, are going through December 15th. They can go to the IRS website and use the Child Tax Credit Update portal, opt out of the payments, and instead receive the credit when they file their 2021 taxes. People who may want to do that, like the first group of people is people who usually owe taxes to the IRS and use the CTC to offset some of the money they own. So if they get half of their 2021 credit as advance payments, that may mean that they have a bigger tax bill in April 2022. Another group of people is people who saw their income increase this year. They will have to pay back some of the money to the IRS if their income increased above a certain threshold, or if their money increased as much as the payment going down. Also, divorced parents have to be careful with advance payments, because the advance payments are going to the parent who claimed the child on their most recent tax return. So if there are changes between your tax returns from 2020 to 2021, in that aspect, you may be having to pay the money back to the IRS. And the last group of people is people who lived outside of the US for less than half of 2021. Those people are not eligible for the payments, but they may be getting them based on their old returns. And in that scenario, they'll have to repay the money back to the IRS. And an important thing for joint filers, if you filed your most recent tax returns jointly, and you decide to opt out of the programs, both you and your spouse must use the two to unenroll. If only one of you does that, you will still get half of the payment. So that's one thing people should consider. And the last thing is that if you currently unenroll of the program, you can opt back in. Maybe in the future there will be such an option, but that's a thing you should consider if you decide to do this now.
All right, thanks so much, Denitsa Tsekova. We appreciate the update on that child tax credit.